few moments later.
We rise so high above the rest. So close your eyes and lose your breath. Our hearts collide, beat through our chests. We're so alive, we're here at last. We're here at last. Oh, we're here at last. Oh, we're here at last.
Bye-bye ko kay Kalot! Bye! 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 Second spot. 2 P department naman sa Diyo. Kachiyam lang ako siya. Masa ka-vlog ba? Ani? Tara le! Ganhan, zoom to ko level ng meeting.
All I wanna do is stay the night with you. I'll hold you tight, treat your body right, yeah. I'll hold you tight, treat your body right, yeah. Staring at your picture
And we're done for the day.
hanging on my wall. Yeah, I even called your mama to ask her how to get through to your heart. And I said